Hey guys, welcome back. This is Tan Investing. Today we would just be looking at X dividend date that's happening on the first week of June. So we need to hurry before it reaches the X dividend date. I'll explain why. So there's four terminology that's used when it comes to dividend. There's a declaration date. So that's the date the company's board of director announces that the company will pay a dividend. The ex-dividend date, record date, and pay date are all included in the announcement. So the record date is the date the company looks at its records to see who the shareholder are. This date generally occurs 2 business days after the ex-dividend date. If you own the stock the day before the ex-dividend date, you should be listed as on the record date. The ex-dividend date, that's the date that the stock trades without its dividend. You must own the stock the day before the ex-dividend date to qualify to receive the dividend. You can sell the dividend stock after the market opens on the ex-dividend date and still get the dividend. The payable date is the date the dividend is paid. So we will look at the first company, which is Great West Life, ticker symbol GWO. Great West Life is a financial service holder company. The company has interest in its life insurance, health insurance, asset management, investment, retirement savings, and reinsurance businesses. Its segment include Canada, United States, Europe, capital and risk solutions, and Lifeco corporate. Lifeco has operations in Canada, the United States, Europe, and Asia through Great West Life Assurance Company, London Life Company, the Canada Life Company, Canada Life, Great West Life, Annuity Insurance Annuity, Putnam Investments, Canada Life Limited, Irish Life Group Limited, Irish Life. The company operates in Canada, the United States, and Europe under the brand Canada Life, Empower Retirement, Putnam Retirement, and Irish Life. Great West Lifeco, ticker symbol GWO. West Lifeco pays an annual dividend of $1.75 per share with a dividend yield of 4.72%. GWO most recent increase that they did was 0.03 increase, which happened on March the 2nd, 2020. GEO's next quarterly dividend payment will be made to shareholders of record date of June 30th. Great West Lifeco pays out 49.16% of its earnings out as a dividend, which is a healthy dividend payout. So if you were to look at Friday's opening was about $36.75. The range was 36.72 to 37.21. And the PE ratio is 10.42 times. The latest dividend is 0.438 cents. As I said, it's 4.72%. And 52-week range, if you look at it, it's from $21.52 to $37.86. Market cap is $34 billion. Ex-dividend date, it's June 1st, 2021. So you have to get in on Monday in order to get the dividend before the ex-dividend date. So if you were to look at the dividend history by quarter, you can see back on May 5th, they announced 4380, 0.4380, which ex-dividend date being June 1st, record date is June 2nd, payment date is June 30th that we talked about earlier. So they have done it in February, May. The next one is going to be announced on July 31st, then December 2nd, and March 2nd. And then it goes on like that. And as you can see, they have increased from 40 back in December 2nd, 2019. It used to be 0.4130, and then they increased it to 0.4380. And you can also see the yield has gone up as well. And exit. And the second stock that we will look at is Imperial Oil, ticker IMO. So Imperial Oil Limited is an integrated oil company. The company is engaged in all the phases of petroleum industry in Canada, including exploration for and production and sale of crude oil and natural gas. Its operates are conducted in three segments: upstream, downstream, and chemical upstream operation, including the exploration for, production of crude oil, natural gas, synthetic oil, and bitumen. Downstream operation consists of transportation and refining of crude oil, blending of refined product, and distributions and marketing of those products. Chemical operation, which consists of manufacturing and marketing of various petrochemicals. The company owns and operates approximately 3 refineries, which process predominantly Canadian crude oil. The company market petroleum product through Canada under its brand name, including Esso, Mobil, and all type of customers. And the Imperial Oil pays an annual dividend of 0.88 cents per share, which is about 2.21%. IMO's next quarterly dividend payout will be made to shareholders of record date on July 1st. Imperial Oil pays out 50.26% of the earnings out as a dividend. IMO most recent increase happened 0.05 cents increase on April the 30th. And if you were to look at the chart here, you can see $40.25 is what the market opened on Friday. The day range was from $39.74 to $40.50. And the latest dividend is 27 cents per share. And 52 weeks range is $14.86 to $40.59. The market cap is $29 billion. The ex-dividend date is on June 2nd, so you have to buy it before June 1st to get this dividend. And then if you were to look at the dividend history by quarter, on April 30th, they announced that they will pay 27 cents, which is the increase that have happened, because before that on February 2nd, it was 22 cents. And back in February 1st, 2019, it used to be 19 cents. And the ex-dividend date is June the 2nd. Record date is June the 3rd, which is the next day. The payable date is July 1st is when you will get paid. The next stock that we will be looking at is Kinross Gold, ticker symbol K. Kinross Gold Corporation is a gold mining company. The company is engaged in gold mining. Related activities include exploration, acquisition of gold-bearing properties, the extractions and processing of gold-containing ore, and reclamation of gold mining properties. The company's segment include Fort Knox, Round Mountain, Bald Mountain, Protu, Kupol, Mariunka, Tasiast, and Shirano. Fort Knox is an open pit gold mines located in Fairbanks, Alaska. Round Mountain open pit mine is located in Neig County, Nevada. Bald Mountain open pit mine is located in Nevada. The company's gold production and exploration activities are carried out principally in Canada, the United States, the Russian Federation, Brazil, Chile, Ghana, and Mauritania. Gold is a production in a form of ore, which is shipped to refineries for final processing. Kinross also produces and sells quantities of silver. Kinross Gold, ticker symbol K. Kinross Gold pays an annual dividend of 0.09 cents per share with a dividend yield of 0.92%. Next quarterly dividend payout will be made to shareholders of record date on Thursday, June the 17th. Kinross Gold pays about 6.91% of its earning out as a dividend. Most recent increase was 0.1 penny increase, which happened on May 11th, 2021. So if you look at the Friday's market open, it opened at $9.61. and the range was from $9.54 to $9.79. The PE ratio is very low, 7.50x. The latest dividend is 0.03. It pays a yield of 1.48%. The 52 weeks range, $7.75 to $13.59. The market cap is 12 billion. Ex-dividend date is on June the 2nd. The annual dividend you will be getting is 12 cents USD. And if you were to look at the announcement was back on May 11th, 2021, they announced that it's going to be 0.0370. The yield is 1.67. The ex-dividend date is June the 2nd. The record date is June 3rd. Payable date is June the 17th. They haven't been paying dividend for a long time. They just started, but starting very small. But eventually, if you have it, there is potential growth that's possible in the stock, along with the dividend yield and dividend amount being higher in a couple of years. Newmont ticker NGT. Newmont Corporation, formerly Newmont Gold Corporation, is a mining company which is focused on production of and exploration of gold, copper, silver, zinc, and lead. It's primarily as a gold producer with the operations and or an asset in the United States, Australia, Peru, Ghana, and Suriname. The company segment include North America, South America, Asia Pacific, and Africa. Its North American segment consists primarily of Carlin, Phoenix, Twin Creeks, Long Canyon in the states of Nevada, and Cripple Creek and Victor in the states of Colorado in the United States. In South America, segment consists primarily of Yanacocha in Peru and Marian in Suriname. Its Asia Pacific segment consists primarily in Boddington, Tanami, Kalgoorlie in Australia. The company Africa segment consists primarily in Ahafu and Akyem in Ghana. As of December 31st, 2016, it had gold reserve of 68.5 million ounces and aggregated land positions of approximately 23,000 square mile, which is about 59,000 square kilometers. So Newmont ticker NGT. Newmont pays annual dividend of $1.45 per share with a dividend yield of 1.63. NGT next quarterly dividend payment will be made to shareholders on record date on Thursday, June the 17th. Newmont pays out 37.70 of its earning out as a dividend. NGT most recent decrease happened on April the 28th, which was about 1 cent. So today or on Friday, which is on May the 28th, the market opened on $88.48. The range is from 88.30 to 89.11 on that day. The PE ratio is 24.98 times. The latest dividend is 55 cents 2020 per share. They used to pay about 18 cents. 52-week range was $68 each share that you were holding. To $95.65. In October 28th, it has a market cap of $71 billion. 53.30. The ex-dividend date is June 1st. The annual dividend is $2.20. February 17th, 2021, they did increase it to 0.7030. And then you can see on this February 28th, they decreased it to 0.6910. And the ex-dividend date is June the 2nd. Record date is June 3rd. The payment date is going to be on June the 17th. The next stock that we will be looking at is Lundin Mining, ticker symbol LUN. Lundin Mining Corporation is a diversified base metal mining company. The company is engaged in mining, explorations, and development of mineral properties, primarily in Chile and United States, Portugal, Sweden, and Democratic Republic of Congo. Its segment include Candelaria, Chapada, Eagle, Neves Corvo, Zingurunvan, Fungurumi, and others. Its geographical segment include Europe, Asia, South America, and North America. It's engaged in producing copper, nickel, and zinc. Its operating assets include the Eagle Mines located in the United States, Neves Corvo Mine located in Portugal, and the Zinguruven Mine, which is located in Sweden. It also owns Candelaria and Ojos del Salado mining complex located in Chile. It's engaged in drilling on Elida Purpure project. Lundin Mining, it pays annual dividend of 14 cents per share with yield of 1.06. Lundin next quarterly dividend payment will be made to shareholders on record date on Wednesday, June the 23rd. Lundin Mining Company pays out 20.29 of the earnings out as a dividend. Lund most recent increase was 2 cents back on February 18, 2021. On May 28th, market opened at $13.04. Day range was $12.94 to $13.17. The PE ratio is 19.07 times. The latest dividend is 0.06. The yield is 1.85. And the 52 weeks range is 6.25 to $16.07. Market cap is 10 billion. Ex-dividend date is on June 3rd. The annual dividend date is 24 cents per 24 cents Canadian. And if you were to look at the dividend history by quarter, you can see back up until July 24, 2019, they paid 0.03. Then they increased it on June 20th to 0.04. And then on February 18, 2021, it went up to 0.06. It's not that significant, but the increase did happen. The next one is Suncor Energy, ticker symbol SU. Suncor Energy Inc. is a Canada-based integrated energy company. The company is focused on developing Canada's petroleum resources basin, Athabasca oil sand. The company operates in three business segments: oil sand explorations and production, and refining and marketing. The company's oil sand segment includes oil sands operations and oil sands venture operations. Its E&P segment is responsible for upstream oil and gas activity. The company's refining and marketing segment is engaged in refining and supply and marketing operation. It transports and refines crude oil, market petroleum, petrochemical product, primarily in Canada. It markets third-party petroleum product. In addition, the company also operates renewable energy business, conduct energy trading activities focused primarily on the marketing and trading of crude oil, natural gas, byproducts, refined products, and Suncor Energy pays an annual dividend of $1.10 per share. Its dividend yield is about 3.92%. Suncor's next quarterly dividend payment will be made to the shareholders on the record date, which is on June 25th. Suncor Energy pays out 6,083.33% of its earnings to the dividend holder. As Suncor's most recent decrease happened on May 5th, 2020, which is about 26 cents. On May 26th, the market opened at $28.02. In the day, it did go down to $27.76. The highest is $28.16. The PE ratio is very high. This one, 1,480.89. The latest dividend is 21 cents. Yield is 3.01. And the previous close was actually 52 weeks range is $14.28 to $29.55. Market cap is 42 billion. Ex-dividend date is on June 3rd. The annual dividend is 84 cents. Another interesting information about Suncor is that okay, I'll tell you guys later when it comes to my mind. So if you look at the announcement, you can see it used to be 42 cents back in November 13, 2019. and then it got increased on March 3rd, 2020 to 46 cents. Because of the pandemic, back in May 5th, 2020, it got reduced to 21 cents per share, and it's staying at 21 cents. So I do want to thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you find this video useful. If you do like me to do more videos like this, please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications. Until next time, see you guys. Take care. Bye.